I bet you've wondered about earning money while you sleep. Well, buckle up. We're about to explore the fascinating world of AI automated income. I'm here to unravel the mystery of how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we work and earn. In this video, we'll discover the incredible potential of AI to create passive income streams, and I'll show you how to harness this technology to secure your financial future. Are you ready to step into a world where your bank account grows while you dream? First things first, what exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence is like a super smart computer brain that can learn, adapt, and make decisions on its own. It's not just science fiction anymore. AI is already all around us, from virtual assistants on our phones to recommendation algorithms on streaming platforms. But here's where it gets really exciting. AI is now entering the world of work and income generation. Think about having a tireless digital assistant that can perform tasks, make decisions, and even create content 24/7. That's the power of AI automated income. It's like having an army of robot workers that never sleep, never take vacations, and are constantly improving at their jobs. Can you see the potential? Now you might be wondering, how exactly can AI generate income? Well, the possibilities are almost endless. One popular method is using AI for content creation. Another exciting avenue is AI-driven e-commerce. What if you had an AI system that could analyze market trends, optimize pricing, and even handle customer service for your online store? Or consider AI-powered trading bots that can make split-second decisions in the stock market or cryptocurrency exchanges. These are just a few examples of how AI can create automated income streams that work for you around the clock. The question is, which one excites you the most? Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. While AI automated income offers incredible opportunities, it also comes with its fair share of challenges. Another challenge is the ethical use of AI. We need to ensure that AI systems are designed and used responsibly, without perpetuating biases or causing harm. There's also the question of data privacy and security. As AI systems rely on vast amounts of data, it's crucial to protect sensitive information. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI automated income are too significant to ignore. How do you think we can balance progress with responsibility? So how can you prepare for this AI-powered future? The key is to develop skills that complement AI rather than compete with it. I encourage you to focus on uniquely human abilities like creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. Learn to work alongside AI, using it as a powerful tool to enhance your own capabilities. What skills do you think will be most valuable in an AI-driven world? To get started with AI automated income, why not explore platforms that offer AI tools for content creation, e-commerce, or trading? Remember, the goal isn't to replace human effort entirely, but to leverage AI to amplify your productivity and earning potential. With the right approach, AI can become your personal income-generating superpower. Are you excited to give it a try? As we've seen, AI automated income is not just a futuristic concept. It's happening right now, and the opportunities are growing every day. By understanding and embracing this technology, you can position yourself at the forefront of a new era of work and income generation. So I ask you, are you ready to unlock the potential of AI and revolutionize your earning power? The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Grab our kit in the description and get scheduled with a startup specialist today.